Saturn is not just a planet. Its golden rings shine with a silent promise, pulling the eyes and the heart. Saturn is beautiful beyond words, but hides a darker story. A cosmic trap where wonder and danger live side by side. The closer we look, the more Saturn's mysteries multiply, reminding us how little we truly understand. From a distance, Saturn is exquisite. Its rings delicate, its clouds soft gold and white, floating in black space. But beneath that beauty, winds scream and lightning flashes with unimaginable force. Saturn is a contradiction, where awe and terror walk hand in hand. Saturn's rings look solid from afar, a perfect unbroken circle of light. But up close they're a swirling storm of debris, from grains of sand to mountain-sized chunks. The rings stretch over 280,000 kilometers, yet are only meters thick, shining like cosmic jewelry, born from chaos and destruction. Long ago, Saturn may have had another moon, a world perhaps the size of Mimas or Enceladus. This moon is now gone, destroyed in a cosmic accident. Some ancient catastrophe shattered it, scattering its pieces into orbit. The rings are its ghost, circling Saturn as a monument to violence. This lost moon may have wandered too close to Saturn, pulled by the planet's immense gravity. As it approached, tidal forces tore it apart. The icy outer layers shattered first, spreading out in ribbons of debris. The rocky core may have plunged into Saturn, lost forever beneath the clouds. The violence that destroyed the moon gave birth to the rings. The ice and rock left behind spread out, forming the dazzling bands we see today. Each particle in the rings is a fragment of a world that once was. We look at Saturn's rings and see beauty, but they are also a memory of loss. The story of the lost moon reminds us that even in destruction, the universe creates new wonders. At Saturn's North Pole spins a perfect hexagonal storm, vast, sharp-edged and mysterious. It's over 30,000 kilometers across, large enough to fit 4 Earths inside. This isn't solid. It's a jet stream, clouds whipping around the pole at incredible speed. The shape is so precise, it looks almost artificial. Why a hexagon? Saturn's hexagon, beautiful, geometric, and impossibly vast. Every few decades, Saturn erupts with a storm so large it can be seen from Earth, a great white spot. These tempests rage across the planet's atmosphere, stretching for thousands of kilometers. They appear suddenly, then fade, leaving scars in Saturn's cloud belts. The storms begin as small disturbances. Warm gas rises from deep within Saturn, bursting through the upper clouds. Lightning flashes, winds howl, and clouds of ammonia, snow, billow into the sky. The storm's energy is enormous, reshaping the face of Saturn for months or even years. The most recent great white spot erupted in 2010. It wrapped around the planet a white ribbon of chaos and energy. After the storm faded, it left behind turbulent wakes, reminders of the planet's power and instability. Saturn storms show us a world in constant change. Beneath its calm appearance, the planet is restless, always on the edge of another eruption. Its beauty is never still. It is always in motion, always dangerous. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is both familiar and deadly. Its orange haze hides rivers and lakes of liquid methane, not water. Titan is the only moon with a thick atmosphere, mostly nitrogen, but laced with toxic gases. The pressure is crushing and temperatures plunge to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Titan is a haunting dream, beautiful, deadly, and perhaps home to alien life. Enceladus is tiny compared to Titan, but it is perhaps Saturn's most extraordinary moon. Its surface is brilliant white, covered in fresh ice. At its south pole, something astonishing happens. Vast geysers erupt through cracks, shooting water and ice hundreds of kilometers into space. These jets are powered from within. Beneath the frozen crust, Enceladus hides a global ocean of salty water, kept warm by tidal forces from Saturn's gravity. The geysers carry not only water and ice, but also organic molecules, possible building blocks of life. The plumes from Enceladus feed Saturn's E-ring, connecting the moon to the planet in a cycle of creation and destruction. Spacecraft have flown through these geysers, sampling the particles and finding hints of complex chemistry. Enceladus is a beacon of hope in the cold. It may be one of the best places beyond Earth to search for life. In the darkness beneath its ice, alien creatures might swim, shielded from the deadly emptiness of space above. For over a decade, the Cassini probe orbited Saturn, sending back breathtaking images and data. It revealed the planet's storms, the structure of the rings, and the secrets of its moons. Cassini became our eyes and heart at Saturn, a silent traveler in a dangerous world. But Cassini's journey could not last forever. The probe was running out of fuel. If left unchecked, it might one day crash into Titan or Enceladus, contaminating these pristine worlds. The mission controllers made a hard choice. In 2017, Cassini was sent on one final doomed dive into Saturn itself. As it plunged into the planet's atmosphere, Cassini sent its last signals home. The spacecraft burned, torn apart by Saturn's gravity and heat. Its final moments were a sacrifice to protect the possibility of life on Saturn's moons. Cassini's end was both a tragedy and a triumph. It was a reminder of the risks we take to explore, and of the beauty we can find when we reach beyond our world. Saturn will not always look as it does today. Its rings are fading, slowly falling into the planet like a shimmering rain of ice. In 100 million years, the rings will be gone. Saturn will become just another gas giant, stripped of its dazzling crown. This slow destruction is a reminder of the universe's true nature. Nothing lasts forever, not even the most beautiful wonders. Saturn's rings are a temporary miracle, a fleeting show in the long history of the cosmos. For humanity, Saturn is both inspiration and warning. It shows us that beauty can be born from violence, and that every wonder hides its own dangers. The planet haunts our dreams, not only for what it is, but for what it teaches us about ourselves. Saturn's fate urges us to cherish the fragile wonders of our own world. In the end, every beautiful thing is temporary. But in seeking to understand them, we find meaning and a little bit of hope amidst the darkness of space.